Hey there, fellow adventurers! Welcome back to Travels, the place where we break the boundaries of the ordinary. Today's video is to uncover Greece, 10 islands you can't miss. Let's begin. Welcome to our exciting journey to Greece, where we'll uncover 10 enchanting islands you simply can't miss. Greece, with its rich history, stunning landscapes, and warm hospitality, has captivated travelers for centuries. Today, we'll take you on an unforgettable adventure through the Aegean and Ionian Seas, exploring these hidden gems that hold a perfect blend of ancient heritage and natural beauty. So, grab your passport and let's dive into the magic of Uncover Greece, 10 islands you can't miss. Number 10. Santorini, awe-inspiring Caldera views. Indulge in the mouth-watering local cuisine, savoring the taste of fresh seafood and locally grown grapes that create the famed Santorini wines. Embrace the warmth of the locals as they share stories of their island's rich heritage and traditions. Unleash your adventurous spirit by hiking the volcanic terrain, and you'll be rewarded with panoramic views that will leave you in awe. With its stunning vistas, blue domed churches, and azure waters, Santorini is a photographer's paradise. Capture every moment as you meander through the narrow streets, and don't forget to immortalize the captivating sunset with a picture that will transport you back to this idyllic island time and again. Number 9. Mykonos, a haven of celestial parties. Indulge in a gastronomic adventure as you taste the island's delectable dishes, from fresh seafood to succulent souvlaki. As the sun sets, the island transforms into a celestial playground where beach parties come alive under the starry skies. Dance the night away in the rhythm of the Aegean beats, and you'll understand why Mykonos is celebrated as a hedonistic heaven. But Mykonos is not just about revelry. Discover the quieter side of the island by exploring its historic landmarks, like the Armenistis Lighthouse and the Panagia Paraportiani Church. The island's picturesque beaches, like Super Paradise and Elia, offer a haven for relaxation and water sports enthusiasts alike. So whether you seek adrenaline-pumping excitement or a tranquil escape, Mykonos awaits with open arms, inviting you to create memories that will linger long after the music fades. Number 8. Crete, mythical past and timeless beauty. Sample the island's renowned cuisine, where the olive oil is liquid gold and the local cheese, like Graviera and Mizithra, tantalizes the taste buds. Embrace the vibrant Cretan culture, characterized by traditional music, dance, and warm-hearted hospitality. Engage with local artisans who create intricate pottery and woven textiles, each piece telling a story of the island's ancient heritage. Crete's rugged beauty extends to its coastline, where you'll find idyllic beaches like Elafonissi, Balos, and Preveli. Embrace the crystal-clear waters and warm Mediterranean climate as you relax on these sandy shores. Number 7. Rhodes, a medieval paradise. The old town's cobblestone streets lead you to the Palace of the Grand Master, a remarkable fortress where history comes alive. As you explore Rhodes, be captivated by the island's unique blend of medieval architecture and cosmopolitan vibes. Taste the island's delectable cuisine, where local ingredients like honey, spices, and fresh seafood create a culinary symphony. Don't miss the chance to witness the ancient Lindos Acropolis, where history's grandeur stands tall, surrounded by breathtaking views of the Aegean. Be sure to embrace the warmth of the locals, who welcome visitors with open hearts and embrace them as part of the island's rich tapestry. Number 6. Corfu, nature's Emerald Isle. Corfu's rich history is evident as you stroll through the elegant streets of Corfu town, a blend of Venetian, French, and British influences evident in the beautiful architecture and charming alleys. Visit the enchanting Achillean Palace, once home to Empress Elizabeth of Austria, and feel like royalty amid the opulence of the past. Wander through the traditional villages, where locals greet you with a warm kalimera, and indulge in the delicious island cuisine, which incorporates fresh produce from land and sea. Corfu's charming blend of nature and culture will enchant every traveler's soul. Discover the island's diverse landscapes, from sandy shores like Glyfada and Sidari to the rugged cliffs of Cape Drastis. Wander through the olive groves, where the trees stand as a testament to the island's ancient heritage, their twisted trunks telling stories of centuries past. Number 5. Zakynthos, Shipwrecks, and Serenity. Zakynthos' allure extends beyond its natural wonders. The island boasts a rich cultural heritage, evident in its traditional music and dance, which is often celebrated during vibrant festivals. Embrace the hospitable locals, who warmly welcome visitors, sharing their island's history and traditions. While Zakynthos is celebrated for its picturesque beaches, including Navajo Beach and Girakas Beach, it also offers a haven of serenity at places like Porto Vrome and Limnionis. Explore the island's verdant inland, where quaint villages and fertile valleys await, inviting you to immerse yourself in Zakynthos' authentic charm. Whether you're seeking exploration, rejuvenation, or simply an escape from the mundane, Zakynthos will weave its magic, leaving you with cherished memories of this enchanting island. Number 4. Paros, Cycladic simplicity. As you meander through the picturesque streets of Naousa and Perikia, you'll feel the island's timeless charm embraced by Cycladic simplicity. Taste the flavors of Paros as you savor the island's delicacies, such as the sweet melopita or the savory chickpea soup revathata. The island's unpretentious ambience invites you to unwind and immerse yourself in its unhurried pace. Paros' simplicity and tranquility make it an ideal escape for travelers seeking solace amidst Greece's beauty. Uncover the essence of the Cyclades, where tradition, simplicity, and natural beauty merge in perfect harmony. Number 3. Naxos, Myth and Majesty. Explore Naxos, where myth and majesty intertwine, and history is etched into every stone. Ascend the Portera and be enchanted by the sweeping views that once welcomed the ancient gods. Wander through the labyrinthine streets of Naxos town and discover the Venetian influences that adorn the town's architecture. The island's fertile land and lush valleys offer bountiful harvests, evident in the delectable Naxian cuisine. As you taste the island's authentic dishes, like potato-based moussaka or creamy cheese graviera, you'll savor the island's flavorful heritage. Number 2. Skiathos, Beach Bliss. As you arrive on Skiathos, you'll be greeted by a paradise of azure waters and sandy beaches that beckon sun-seekers and water enthusiasts alike. The island's lush pine forests create a stunning backdrop, and exploring them can be as exciting as basking on its sandy shores. Discover Skiathos town, where the charming old port and lively waterfront are perfect spots to savor fresh seafood dishes. The island's vibrant nightlife will keep you entertained well into the night. Embrace the beach bliss of Skiathos, where relaxation, natural beauty, and lively spirit come together, creating an unforgettable experience. Number 1. Hydra, Tranquility Unveiled. Journey to Hydra, a tranquil island untouched by time and free from the noise of modern life. As you disembark at Hydra town, you'll be captivated by the charming stone houses, donkeys, and cobblestone streets that evoke a sense of nostalgia. Experience the island's quiet elegance as you explore the art galleries and museums that pay homage to Hydra's artistic heritage. Wander through the alleys, and you'll find hidden gems, like the peaceful monastery of Prophet Isilius and the historic church of Aegeos Konstantinos. And there you have it, our unforgettable journey through Greece's 10 most captivating islands. Each one has its own story to tell, its own magic to share. Whether you're seeking romance, adventure, or simply a chance to unwind, these islands offer an unparalleled experience that will stay with you forever. With each of these 10 unforgettable Greek islands offering its own unique allure, Greece beckons with its rich history, captivating landscapes, and warm hospitality. Embrace the wonders of these islands, where ancient myths come to life. Breathtaking beauty awaits at every turn, and moments of pure serenity are found in the simplest pleasures. Uncover the essence of Greece as you explore these 10 gems that will forever leave an indelible mark on your heart and soul. So, until we meet again, embrace the beauty of Greece, and may your travels be filled with wanderlust and wonder. Thanks to those who watched until the end of the video. If you want more, you will find videos in the description that you may like. Thank you to those who subscribed to the channel. See you in the next video.